guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? So yeah, welcome to another video. Today we're not doing a cash stuffing, we're not doing a weekly check-in, but I'm going to be unboxing something very special. As you can see from the title, I received my planner, my budget workbook for the new year. I received it in the mail today. Yeah, this morning it came in the mail today, and I wasn't expecting anything since today was Sunday, but I got it in the mail. I was expecting it to come like next week, but I'm super excited to share this with you guys. And yeah, if you are new here, welcome. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing and join this family, and let's have fun together. If you are coming back, thank you so much for coming back. And here is my budget planner. Guys, I'm super excited. I'm so excited. It's the Elevated Life Co. Yes. Okay, this was put together by Taylor of Taylor Budgets and Brittany of The Crafty Budgeter. So these two people, I've always been following them from the beginning, and I'm still following them. And if you don't know, I use Brittany's printables anyway, so that makes me love this planner even more. So yeah, I've always been a lover of Brittany's printables, and this planner was kind of look like what I'm already used to using Brittany's budget printables. So I'm really excited to see what's gonna be in here. I've seen the flip through from different people that unboxed it, and I'm just excited to see it and lay my hands on it. So I'm gonna go right into this video. So it came in this cute packaging. I love this color, and I really don't want to rip this up, but guys, we have to do this. Sometimes something is so cute and you don't want to break it, but I'm sorry, I have to do this. Oh, it's so cute. Just look at this. The Elevated Life Co. So yeah, this new year is gonna be a year of blessings. It's gonna be a year of elevation for us. I am loving this workbook, guys. It's so cute. Yeah. So I'm not gonna be using a happy planner this new year. I've been thinking of what to use this year. I didn't make up my mind until this came out. So when I saw it, I'm like, oh, this is what I'm gonna be using this new year 2022. This is what it's looking like after the package. Oh my gosh, I'm loving the back. I mean, the covers, it's so beautiful. The colors and everything. This is just screaming both the combination of Taylor and Brittany to me, because I follow both of their channels, and this is what I see there. So I'm just gonna flip through it quickly, and then yeah. So here it says the Elevated Life Co. Sorry. And here is this amazing quote: "Think beyond your current mindset. Elevate your life." That is huge. Yes. And here I can write my name here, and I'm ready to elevate. Yes, I am. And here is the 2022 calendar and 2023. And then another quote. I bet there's a lot of quotes in this planner. And this just doesn't look just like a budget planner to me. It looks like an overall planner. You can plan your whole life in this workbook. We cannot lower the mountain. Therefore, we must elevate ourselves. Yes. So we can go up the mountain. We have to put ourselves up. Wow. I am loving this quotes. And here is all the instructions of how to use this planner. Yeah, I'm gonna have to sit down and read this, but I think I should be able to make my way through it, because I've always been using Brittany's budget printables before, so I'm kind of used to them. But this is a very good instruction to follow on how to use this planner. And here is this is goals. Let's elevate your goals. Write your individual goals for these categories. And then here is where you can create your own goals. Yeah, I am loving these colors. Wow. And here is a calendar page. and it's undated. So yeah, it's not dated, and I like the fact that you are not restricted to a certain date. So, and here I can write my goals. Here I can write my goals and categories, and this looks just like what I'm already using. Let me show you again. Yeah, you can write goals and then categories. The only thing that I didn't have before was the brain dump, and there's a lot of space here to write stuff down. I love it. And then this is the monthly budget. I'm a monthly budgeter, so this is very perfect for me. And you don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Yeah. And for people that do multiple budgets throughout the month, there's more budget pages in here. So yeah, this is the monthly budget, and this is the paycheck budget. I'm probably not going to use this at all because I don't budget my husband's paycheck. It's bi-weekly, but it get paid bi-weekly, but I can't handle separate budgets, so it just gives me whatever I need to make my monthly budget. So that's why I still do just monthly budget. And here is paycheck denomination setup, and here is the month of January. So I believe this is everything you do every single day. Just put them down, jot it down. What did you do today? So this is like a plan of what you want to do, and at the end of the day, what did you do? This is like a daily planner as well. So this is amazing. And then the weekly check-in for that week is going to be down there. And then another set of paycheck budgets. So yeah, I'm not going to be using these paycheck budgets unless something changes, but I really like my monthly budget. So there's 5 paycheck budgets in here. And yeah, and I believe there's more stuff in here. Oh yeah, the sinking funds page, debt page, and then notes, and that's going to be the end of January. And then February starts all over again, and this is so beautiful. I love the color combinations, and I love these tabs. I love how the colors of the tabs just, you know, flows with the colors on the planner itself. Look at that, like from light yellow to like light, more deeper yellow, and it just goes on and on like that. This is super amazing. I can't wait to start using this planner in January. And on the back it says, yes, 2 snaps. That's Brittany right there. You elevated your year. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I can imagine how much work they put into this to get this, to put this together. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that is my budget planner, my budget planner / my daily planner for the year 2022. So I'm still going to be coming back with you guys to show you what I'm going to be doing, my savings challenges for the year 2022. I'm working on them. So yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in this budget planner or this planner in general, I will leave their website in the description box so you can check it out. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye bye.